So right now, we are living through this really um, unique kind of temporary gold rush in AI. Imagine creating, you know, Hollywood quality videos or even building entire applications completely free. It feels calm, curious, but yeah, probably won't last. Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're going to plunge into this fascinating list of sources, 20 new AI tools you can use for free, the July 2025 update. And our mission really is simple. Find these astonishingly powerful AI tools you can get your hands on right now for free. The author uses this digital cocaine analogy, which is pretty blunt. Companies hook you with the free stuff, then, start charging once you really need it. So we'll explore tools for creativity, video, audio, productivity, and then the really interesting part, how to combine them for these superpowers they talk about.
Yeah, what's really striking here is the urgency. The author, I mean, they test new AI tools daily, and they're really emphasizing that this moment is, well, unique. These aren't just like random apps popping up. They're genuinely powerful tools the author actually uses, and that window, the chance to explore them for free, it might be closing, faster than we think. So diving in now is probably key.
Okay, let's unpack this. Starting big picture. These all-in-one creative and development studios. So these aren't just for like one specific task. Think of them more as versatile environments, places you can build and experiment in ways that honestly used to need a whole team, right?
Right, a team of experts.
First one up, Google AI Studio. So it's free, it's web-based, gives you direct access to Google's latest AI models. We're talking the Gemini family.
Yeah.
It's like a workbench for creating things. And what's amazing, really, is it puts these top-tier models,
The expensive ones.
yeah, the ones usually behind serious paywalls, right into your hands.
Yeah.
Exactly. It's kind of like having a free AI development team just sitting there. And the magic, I think, is its multimodal thing. It means it gets, different kinds of data, text, images, even charts all at once. Like imagine feeding it your YouTube analytics,
Okay.
and the AI looks at the charts and actually suggests data-driven video ideas. Right there. The author even built this emoji fusion game with it. It's really
Yeah.
quite powerful.
Wow. And building on that, another Google tool, Notebook.LM, this one feels more like your own personal research assistant. You feed it different stuff, PDFs, text files, website links, even like YouTube transcripts, and bam, it becomes an instant expert on whatever you gave it.
Yeah, and the thing that's truly like mind-blowing about Notebook LM is this audio overview feature. It can literally create a 20-minute conversational podcast.
Seriously.
Yeah, from the material you uploaded, like two AI hosts just discussing your topic. I actually tried this recently, uploaded a camera manual, some reviews, and Notebook LM generated this detailed mind map, that 20-minute podcast, and an interactive chat where I could ask questions, and it showed me exactly where it got the answers from, citations and everything.
Okay, so what's the biggest takeaway then from Google's approach with these two platforms? It seems like a clear strategy.
Yeah, I think it's that they're giving really powerful free AI tools to basically everyone. It's democratizing access.
Yeah, democratizing access. That's a good way to put it. It's a foundational shift.
Okay, let's pivot now. Let's talk visuals. The video and image generation powerhouses. This is where things get, visually stunning, creating incredible stuff from just a few words.
So what's fascinating here is Google VEO3. It's their newest, most powerful video model. It makes these incredibly realistic videos, and the audio syncs up too. Now, getting direct access might cost you, but there's a hack.
Oh, a workaround.
Yeah, you can use Perplexity's bot on what used to be Twitter, to generate videos with VEO3 for free. You just tweet at them, like, @Ask Perplexity, make me a video of a talking cat next to a taco.
Chuckles. And it says, subscribe to my channel. And the bot just replies with a video. My cat didn't actually speak in the video I got, but the quality, just for a free output, pretty impressive.
That's pretty wild.
Yeah.
Okay, and then there's Kling. This one sounds like one of the best, most capable AI video generators out there for, regular folks. The quality is supposed to be exceptionally high and really good at realistic sound effects.
Yeah, Kling is fantastic.
And the free plan sounds generous, starting credits, plus more just for logging in.
Exactly. You get daily credits just for showing up.
I tested it out, prompted about like a woman with a cat, gentle breeze.
Okay.
And the result was super professional. You could hear the wind, even the cat purring. And it handles both text to video and image to video, which is useful.
And for images, Leonardo AI. It's just a beast. Full disclosure here, I've actually invested in Leonardo because I genuinely think it's one of the best, most intuitive platforms out there.
Right, good to know.
The free plan gives you 150 daily credits. They refresh every 24 hours. That's usually more than enough for most creative bursts. You get access to these really powerful models like lucid realism for photos that look, well, real. But the real power, I think, is in the editing. I generated an image, a man in a city. Then I just used the edit tool, typed add a baseball cap. Worked perfectly, just popped it right on his head, looked totally natural. But I gotta admit, vulnerable admission, I still wrestle with prompt drift myself sometimes.
Oh, yeah, where it kind of wanders off.
Exactly.
Mhm.
The AI subtly deviates from what you originally wanted after a few prompts or edits. Even with amazing tools like this, it happens.
Hmm. Okay, and then there's Things, Things. This is described as a massive searchable database of AI-generated icons, all in a consistent style.
Yeah, it's super useful.
Because creating custom icons, getting them all to look the same for a project can take forever.
Totally.
With Things, you just search,
Yeah.
need an icon for a wolf, a taco, a specific drone model, it's probably there.
Like a specialized search engine just for icons.
Exactly. And if they don't have it, you can apparently request it.
And then there's Whisk. This one's fun. It's an experimental Google Labs thing. It lets you combine different concepts into one new image. So you upload separate pictures, one for your subject, one for the scene, one for the style.
Right.
And the presets can create some surprisingly creative results, often hilarious. I tried it, uploaded my photo, set the scene to space, chose the anime style.
Chuckles.
Let me guess.
Yep. Perfect picture of me as an anime character floating in space.
Nice.
The plushie preset is also pretty funny. And yeah, the image generation part is free. It really is remarkable how these visual tools, they just simplify creating really stunning stuff. Anyone can do it now.
Yeah, simple prompts, generous free access. It's truly democratizing visual storytelling. It's amazing.
Okay, moving on. Let's explore the workflow and audio wizards. So this category is more about tools that handle complex, multi-step tasks or creating really high-quality audio.
Right. First up, Glyph. GLIF. Think of it like AI-powered Lego blocks for workflows. It lets you visually chain different AI tools together.
Okay, so connect a text model to an image one, maybe then to a video one.
Exactly. You build these unique glyphs for specific jobs, and you can share them too. The free plan gives you 10 daily credits, and they actually stack if you don't use them.
Oh, that's handy.
I built one that took a simple prompt, like Batman,
Mm-hmm.
sent it to GPT-4 to kind of flesh it out, then programmatically added with a wolf in the background,
Okay.
and then sent that whole enhanced prompt to an image generator. And the output was this, like, beautiful, colorful, epic scene. Really cool.
Nice. And 11 Labs. Pretty much everyone agrees, right?
Hmm.
They're the king of voice AI.
Yeah, undisputed.
Leading text-to-speech, voice generation.
Uh,
The voices are just incredibly realistic, full of emotion. You almost can't tell they're AI.
it's uncanny sometimes.
The free plan gives you enough credits to really play around with the features.
Oh.
So text-to-speech with tons of professional voices, this voice changer for audio files, and generating sound effects.
Yeah, you can just describe a sound effect like a car crashing through a glass window,
Wow.
and it generates it. Pretty useful. And then there's Suno, S-U-N-O. This is an AI music generator that actually sounds, well, good, genuinely good. What makes it special is it creates complete songs, singing, lyrics, full music.
Right, not just background loops or instrumental tracks.
Exactly. A lot of tools just do background music. Suno gives you the whole package. The free plan lets you use their version 3.5 model, which is already incredibly impressive. I gave it a prompt, a pop-punk anthem about subscribing to my YouTube channel.
Chuckles. Okay, how did that turn out?
In moments, it gave me back 2 complete original songs. And they were surprisingly catchy, lyrics and all.
So these tools, they're not just automating simple things anymore, are they? They're fundamentally changing what a single person can actually produce.
Absolutely. They're enabling truly professional-grade creative output, but on a personal scale. It's a game changer.
Okay, our final category now shifts focus. Productivity and information assistance. These are the new AI tools that can genuinely make you, smarter, faster, more organized day to day. First one is Perplexity. It's an AI-powered search engine. But instead of just a list of links, it actually reads the top results, synthesizes the info, and gives you a direct, comprehensive answer. With citations, importantly.
Right. Saves so much time.
Yeah, no more clicking 10 different links trying to piece it together.
Yeah.
The author actually said they replaced Google with it for most daily searches.
Then there's Mind Studio. This one's powerful for building complex AI workflows. It has this visual drag and drop interface, kind of like make.com if you know that, but really focused on AI tasks.
Okay.
And its Chrome extension is pretty slick, lets you run your custom workflows on basically any web page. I tested their product comparison workflow on my own website.
Yeah.
It scraped the site, used AI to analyze the products, found competitors online, and generated a full report, all from one click. That's serious efficiency.
Wow. Okay, then something simpler. URL to any. Sounds brilliantly simple. Converts any URL to pretty much any format.
Yeah, super handy utility.
PDF, HTML, Markdown, image, JSON,
Hmm.
even a QR code.
Yep. Give it the URL, pick your format. It's incredibly fast, great for saving articles or just converting web content quickly. And check this out, 11.AI. This is a new personal voice assistant from the 11 Labs folks.
Ah, so these super realistic voice people.
Exactly. Think Siri, but with a voice that sounds completely human and potentially deeper integrations. It's in alpha right now, so it's completely free to try.
How does it work?
Well, I connected it to my Google Calendar, then just asked it, what do I have on my schedule next week? And it just replied conversationally, gave me a smooth summary. The voice quality is, well, incredible.
Okay, this next one sounds potentially revolutionary. Emergent, an AI agent that writes complete functional applications from just a text prompt.
Yeah, it's pretty wild.
You tell it what you want, it makes a task list, then just builds it, step by step.
You can literally walk away.
I mean, the example given is asking it to clone Spotify.
Right.
And coming back 6 minutes later to a working clone with an interface.
That's what they claim.
Whoa. I mean, imagine coding full apps while you sleep. That's definitely a moment of wonder right there.
And then there's Claude Artifacts. This is actually a feature within the Claude AI chat. It lets you build and share simple interactive apps right there in the chat window.
How does that work?
So I wanted a habit tracker. I just asked Claude and asked me some clarifying questions, about features.
Okay.
And then it just built the app in this special artifact window right next to our chat. And the best part, single click to publish and show it. Really neat for quick tools.
Okay, Minimax agent. This sounds like a true AI agent. It plans, executes, and even fixes its own mistakes for complex research tasks.
Yeah, this one feels like a step beyond just a tool. It's more autonomous.
The example was asking it to create a simple portfolio website for a photographer, Mark Cohen. Gallery about page, contact form.
Right, a standard small website.
And you just let it run for 30 minutes. And it designed it, fixed issues, polished it, until a functional site was done.
That's the idea. It's like having an autonomous worker for certain digital tasks. Then there's Spawn, SPAWN. This is kind of fun. Like the old Stumble Upon, remember that?
Oh, yeah. Quick and get around a website.
Right. This is for AI-generated games. Every click, a new, random, often very weird game appears.
Like what?
I found snake games, chess variations, even this bizarre one where you play as Mario, but he has a Glock.
Seriously. Mario with a Glock.
Seriously. And you can also ask it to create games. I tried a mix between Tetris and Snake. It gave me 4 different playable versions instantly. Surprisingly addictive.
Okay. And WebSim. WEBSIM. This is described as a platform full of AI-generated apps and simulations, an addictive rabbit hole.
Yeah, you can lose some time there.
I mean, finding a free functional Windows XP simulator, running in a browser, and playing classic Minesweeper and Solitaire inside the simulation. That's just astonishing.
And finally, Gamma. GAMMA. This is an AI tool for creating really beautiful, professional-looking presentations, documents, websites, just from a simple text prompt.
So it kills the pain of slide design.
Pretty much. You give it the content, Gamma handles the whole design aspect, makes a polished deck in minutes.
So you'd prompt it like, create a presentation about the future of renewable energy.
Exactly. It'll generate an outline first, let you tweak it, then build the full presentation with visuals, formatting, everything. The free plan gives you enough credits to make several presentations. Really useful.
These productivity tools, they really are redefining daily efficiency, aren't they?
Yeah, they're streamlining really complex tasks with smart automation. It feels like getting superpowers sometimes. Sponsor.
Okay, so let's tie this all together. The big idea here, the force multiplier. Using these tools one by one is powerful, sure, absolutely. But the real magic, the actual superpower the author talks about, is combining them.
Stacking them.
Yeah, stacking them. It's like, learning instruments versus actually orchestrating them into a symphony. The power is in the combination in creating these stacks.
Exactly. Like, let's take the faceless content creator stack. Goal here.
Yeah.
Make high-quality YouTube or social media stuff without ever needing a camera or mic yourself.
Okay, how?
You'd start with Notebook LM,
Mm-hmm.
feed it your research, get it to generate an outline, and maybe a first draft script.
Right.
Then take that script to 11 Labs for a really professional, human-sounding voiceover. While that's rendering, maybe hop over to Leonardo AI. Generate consistent visuals, your main character, backgrounds, key objects. Keep the style the same.
Mm-hmm.
Then take those images to Kling, add subtle motion, turn them into short video clips, maybe some panning, zooming.
I gotcha.
Finally, Gamma, bring it all together. Combine your text, the images, those video clips, layer in the 11 Labs voiceover, and boom, you've got a polished presentation-style video, a whole studio, basically, in your browser tabs.
Wow. Okay, or how about the app prototyper stack? The goal here is speed, right? Go from just an idea to a working prototype really fast, maybe an afternoon.
Yeah, rapid iteration.
So you'd start maybe with Google AI Studio, brainstorming features, user flow, maybe sketching ideas with its help.
Makes sense.
Then jump to things to quickly grab high-quality icons that all match for the interface.
Saves time.
And then the magic part. Take that feature list, those design thoughts, over to an AI agent like Emergent or maybe Claude Artifacts. Give it the prompt, build a simple habit tracker app based on these features.
And it just builds it.
Yeah, writes the code, builds a functional version you can actually click around in and test, get feedback instantly.
Okay, one more. The personal productivity stack. Goal. Become a research and productivity machine. Get smart on any topic, fast, and stay organized.
How would that look?
Start with Perplexity. Do that deep dive on your topic. Get the synthesized summary. Find the key articles it cites. Use URL to quickly convert those article links into clean PDFs or markdown files, easier to read and manage.
Right.
Dump all those cleaned up files into Notebook LM. Now you have a single knowledge hub. You can get summaries, mind maps, ask specific questions about all your research in one place, then bring in 11.AI, your personal voice assistant. Connect it to your calendar, your notes.
Oh, okay.
And you can just use your voice to schedule time to review that research, create tasks based on what you learned, manage the whole learning project conversationally.
Okay, but here's the reality check.
Yeah.
This AI gold rush, it probably won't last forever, right?
Almost certainly not.
Most of these amazing tools, they're in that hook you first, charge you later phase. They're free now because, they're in beta, they're building a user base, gathering data.
Training your models.
Yeah, but AI processing is incredibly expensive. And investors, eventually they want a return. So my advice, echoing the source here, is try them all now while they're free. Figure out which ones actually add value for you, for your work, your life. Integrate the good ones into your workflow. Get good at using them while there's no cost. Then, when the free ride eventually ends for some of them, you'll be in a much better spot to decide which ones are genuinely worth paying for.
Yeah, think about it. The power to create things, it's being given to more people now than ever before in history. It's staggering. So the question isn't really if AI will change your industry, your job, your creative process.
No, it's happening.
It's happening. The real question is, are you going to be the person who saw it coming, who prepared, who learned these tools? Or are you going to be the person who kind of got left behind? These 20 tools, they're like your training ground, your free trial for the future, maybe. So the only question left really is, what are you going to build with them?
A powerful thought to end on. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive. Go forth, explore these tools, and experiment. See what you can create. Out T-Row Music.